about to buy XRP Ripple right on the MEXC platform. Click on the link below so you can register for your free account. Let's buy some Ripple XRP today. Now, my name is Shelton. I'm the captain. First thing I want you to do, it says buy crypto. You want to click there and go to quick and buy sell. Now, if you don't have USDT, you can buy it right on this platform because you're going to need USDT to swap for XRP Ripple. Very simple. And from this platform, you can buy USDT right here. It has several currencies that you can use, like USD, Euro. You can buy here. You also can sell it from here as well. Once you have USDT, you go right up into it says spot and trade. Okay. Now, if you already have USDT in your MEXC account, you will skip the buy process and come right to spot market area. From here, you see the search bar. We're going to look for XRP, okay, and USDT. See that trading pair at the top there. From there, we'll wait, and then here's the chart. This is where you want to begin to buy. Now, currently, I have 12 cents to switch out for my XRP, so that's how much XRP I technically can get, okay? So that's how much I can get. So I'll put a number in there. That's how much I can get in terms of XRP. I click on buy XRP, and then I'll have a percentage of that in my account. In my account where I start my account, you can look for it right over in here, okay, your profile. And then I can also sell it from here. Very simple and very easy. I can sell my XRP on this page. That's how you buy XRP on the MEXC platform. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click on the link below, register. Let's buy some XRP today.